so etc. And all means and others. This means what? And all means what? And others. And all. So we learn this word. Okay, when it comes to citation, it's an only text. Okay, we have so many authors, we put the first author, more than 3 authors, first author, then and all. But in the reference, we put all things. Reference because we want to know what the one contributor item. Very good. Clear. So that's the thing that you know, and then for the website, you put the date access. Remember, you put the date access. This one I have a better version one in your UG notes. Okay, go to it. So that's why you need to understand. There's a reason. You must know. It's the use of any source. Okay, or publish or unpublished. Let's say without proper acknowledgement of referencing. This is called remember. So next one. It's easy to commit plagiarism. That's why we need to learn how to avoid it. Okay, normally we use take the note. Take the note. Whatever you refer, take on a small piece of note, you put it there, and then put a reference, then you can see. Later on, we want to do a complete reference list. You can refer again. Okay? Because nobody knows how to look tricky. That's right. We are reference upside down. Very sad. Okay? So this is the thing, and must know. Many students who don't intend to cheat, but because of poor practice, end up committing reference. They don't intend to cheat, but accidentally copy paste. So sad. Accidentally copy paste. Intentionally. You see, parents end up is committing reference. But I did forgotten. That's right. So that's the thing. So that's why we need to know what the sources from books, journal, web page, electronic, okay?
Lecture notes also.
Oh, yeah.
I collect fees instead of.
Yeah.
I don't think that I collect fees.
Especially lecture notes, correct? We actually prepare it and people use it and become years. You can actually that's right, zoom back. That's the act, that's the reason. So, why then you must do 2 things. First, take good notes, okay, to trace what level or sources it is, and so the standard system of referencing using Harvard style. Now, how to avoid wasting time from checking the reference and so on, you need to know the perfect notes. And later on, we also have a grammar super has also referencing even better. Later on, we learn a lot of things, but let's go this one. Perfect notes means any facts, figures, jot down. Direct quotation, jot down. Paraphrase, whatever idea, jot down. Okay? And all the source detail, jot down in your perfect notes. So that later on, when you compile everything, it's so smooth. Rather than do everything, you need to try to search for you. Wasting of time there. You will forget which part, which page, you see. So some final hint for you, in doubt, reference it again. And make sure you record the source, okay? Copy the reference, everything, summarize also you will record. And also use different colors. Let's say use quotation, use different colors so that you know that's for your notes, correct? Then it's nice to see, oh, this is the quotation, exactly. Copy. And always make your notes in the own version so that it's easier to see, don't cut and paste. And be prepared to go and find a reference for something you already know. Okay? So in a nutshell, remember, avoid plagiarism that show you really exerted yourself into the research. Okay? You need to see what you have read, what you read, and also what you study. Try to do a reference of it. This is so important. Reference to the source. So this part is just an introduction of plagiarism, but we need to educate our students. This is so dangerous when you go to year 3, year 4. So year 1 student you must know how to do it.
Again, no?
Year 3. Okay? So now let's see how we use referencing system. We do some practical now. Okay, see whether you do not. Okay. how to cite, and I mentioned just now. We go in detail. Normally you use author date. Okay, author date. For example, I have 3 examples here. Andy, 2006, explains. So this person is the author. He explained. This is your paragraph. So when you want to use this type of thing, the person says something, you put name and then parenthesis the year. Okay, but for this, you have Eddie explain, whereby you need to see this one is talking about page. Okay, the page. You know, P25 means which page you refer. So sometimes you see P, sometimes you see PP. When you want to mention the page. So what should I do? For one page only, you just use P. For a few pages, let's say from 25 to 30, use PP. So that's the thing how you jot the point, okay, in your page, P and PP. So put it there, and children with developmental coordinate, this one is not inside the body text, right? Then you put the citation, you put the person together with the name of the year, and the parenthesis, and the end of the sentence. You see at the end of the sentence, or you want to put it in the middle also. So something like this you know. When this one becomes the subject, you talk something. Okay? So now let's see. This is important whereby this is quite relevant to the quote. You talk about quotes, right? Let's see how to quote. Short quotes, longer quotes. Short quote means less than a line. Longer quotes means more than a line. Okay, this is how we achieve. Okay, so less than a line, how we actually quote a quote, sure, how to cite the quotation. Okay, quote, okay, quote. So, topic professional and so on. So, build as you have this one, okay, okay, you put the comma here. And for this one, longer quotes should be indented in a separate paragraph. If you want to have short quotes, put inside the body, you can do this way, together with the subject sentence. But it's too long, you can't put it together, it makes you feel like your own idea. So you put differently, something in longer quotes, you can put indent and the space paragraph. Okay, indent is here, this is the space paragraph. This is how you write.
You don't need to italic all the quotes.
Just put the comments for you. Okay? So this is the quotation. And paraphrases. Paraphrases, you need to know whereby it's not your idea. When paraphrase it become your idea, it's called paraphrasing. So make sure, okay? Paraphrase means you just change a couple of words and it's actually it's called paraphrase. But it's not enough, no, you can't do that. It's not about you want to open person with paraphrase, this one is not enough. Okay, you can't do that. So you must use another type of words, own words to write it, and then put the citation. Okay, something like this. Okay? Now summarizing. So there's a reason. Okay. How? Whereby you want to generally summarize something, the last section is one section. So same thing whereby you need to see something potential covers most of the work, right? But how do we put it there? It does not require page numbers because it goes really important. Okay? Then what should I do is put a recent study by sensor, demonstrator, let's say another one, you put the thing so just put it in the want to talk about summarizing. Okay? So I have a question. Whereby let's say the name not given, the author not given. Let's say from newspaper, quote from there, or cite from there. The person is unknown, the author is unknown. How? Newspaper simply put the name. Star. No. Unknown. You put unknown. U-N-K-O-W-N. Okay? So if this is an assignment, we normally, if let's say the person, the author is unknown, okay, you put A-N-O-N, and put the year. Unknown, anonymous, okay? then you don't know who is the person. You know that? Okay? So this is something new to you, whereby you don't have a name, but how we put in the body text. Okay? That way. So secondary references. You will ask a question whereby, let's say this author also refer to another author. How? How? This is how? Go to the original one, whereby the contributing person is the main person. And one more thing is, you need to remember, you also cite together with the person who used the idea. For example, you see, like this. Okay? A study concluded that marginal Eurasians felt less confident than cocaine users about being to stop taking a drug, and then you see, Whitney and others. This is the original people, and cited in. You can put from or in, IN. Okay? We have the motion later on, IN, put IN, and motion. This is the person who tried to extract it. We refer to this directly, we refer to this person. You see? Now, original, secondary person. Okay? Same thing here, you can put it and reference this. Okay, the original, and then the second person. Okay? You put a person later, I'll show you how to do it in the workshop. But together to show.
Oh, you're referencing doesn't have about me.
This one, but me because you refer to me. Then but in where? In the because the citation you put the original first, then second then. But come to reference the person you take from. Okay? Yeah. So you see, and then
I see volume one.
you see the one. Okay? Later you have the workshop. Now we go through it, secondary references. Okay, this is the main list. You just now asked about the difference between bibliography references, and if both require, then those cited one direct cited put under reference, and those who are not directly and other readings you put under bibliography. But both needed. Okay? You need bibliography to just put everything, whether you cited or not, you put under bibliography. Reference is for those who cited only. Because as I sometimes just say, you just provide me reference. You just provide me both. So this is what we call the C. Okay? Now, how to reference book. And before we go to this, let us do some exercise. Okay? Go to the last page of your notes. Last page of your notes. Before I teach you how to do references, we need to do some practice how to do citation. Look at the last page. Okay? You can answer towards the end of the workshop. Okay? We do some practice here first. To do citing in the text activity, the last page. You see? So now, according to the environment agency, for this one, okay, we are going to put and look at the references at the bottom. The bottom then consists of all the reference books. This is how we put citation and how we put references. So we have to check, okay, which reference book we refer and then how we cite this at all paragraph. Last page. We can correct this one. We'll correct this one. We'll do this activity now. Last page. Turn to last page. Okay, practice how to put your citation in the paragraph. Yeah, according to the environment agency, okay, we'll have okay, present for those. Okay. common practices. And if there is some example, refer. Okay. Refer to the slide in front of it. If you forgotten how to
What's that?
Fill the blank, put the together, or learn the name, try and error, later check the answer together. How you put it in? 5 minutes. Go quickly. Find references there. They give you the key, give you the year, important how to put it in. Citation. You need to put the practices. Be careful with the common or not. You'll miss anything, you know. Common practices.
Some of them have very good. For the citation, okay, the name right, you just put the surname then common. No need to surname SD or surname SP dot SP. I just put the surname then common here. For citation, you don't put the whole full sentence of the reference. So like Foley and Ferguson. You just
Correct.
2003.
Foley and Ferguson, then common, 2003, and common and holding spring. Later we'll tell us. Okay. Yeah.
That's a common.
So one, missing thing. This one was functional.
3 and above, then only put it in. Okay, done. So let's see the answer. Okay, you can answer one by one so that you know whether you did it correctly or not. So C, according to Environment Agency, what's the answer?
Common 2005.
Common.
Sorry,
Bracket 2005. Yes. Who common for this? So answer. Okay. Just bracket and 2005.
Oh, so many of them have this thing.
Then next one there is conclusive, blah blah blah, until Foley and Ferguson. What's the answer? Common 2003, bracket, close bracket. Yeah. Yeah, already given. Okay. Next, okay, after that, nitrogen oxide. What's the answer? Sarabanda, and Sarsaparilla, and Sarsaparilla. Common, very good. Okay. And then carries. The one carries. Open bracket 2003 common. Alright, very good. Okay. And the last one, according to a recent study by Beavers and Casper. No common, no open bracket, close bracket. Because the year already bracket 2005. By this person surveyed the bracket for the year. Beavers and Coslow. Beavers and Coslow. I'm using the SD to DC. Just Beavers and Coslow. Without the SD, without the DC for citation. Okay. Then after that, open bracket 2005 close bracket. Alright. Practice. Or something like that. A lot of practice. There's no sound. Okay, the only the lessons are more correct and files. Oh, correct. Yes. Okay. So something like this citation is just for you to have the key, how to say the backline, how to put the key on the body text or out of the body text, outside of the body text, or in of the body text. Okay. So now we go to the last part of the workshop today. How to write a reference. Okay. Whereby we straight away do it on the spot and refer to the notes given here. Okay. Whereby we need to know there are so many sources. Each of them, how are we going to put in the reference list correctly? Okay, and then also we have book, the journal, and backpage, and so on. So let's go to one by one, and we will have a person one by one to come in front and write. Very practical. Let's go to the next. Let me start with it. Oh, I know it's very nice one, you know. Oh, I know that. We go back to the very happy environment. Okay, kindergarten stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Research method.
Page 9. Okay, we go to page 9. Page 9. Okay, page 9. How to make reference properly at the back of the list. Okay, so in the slide in your notes now, these are the guidance for you to write your reference. We'll teach you how to put the name, the year, and so on. Okay, we go for first part. We're going to go to page 9. Okay, for book by a single author. So the format will be write the author's surname, comma, then the initial is the F dot T or B dot C dot. Then you have full stop, then year of publication. Okay, year of publication, you need to bracket it. Okay, then after bracket it, straight away title without any comma or full stop. Remember the comma, full stop. Title can be italic. Okay, italic, and addition. If you want the first one, if first one you don't put addition, first addition you do, only second, third addition you see. Yeah, correct. Who, when, what, where, and who. Very good, okay? So this is, remember, and based on publication, then the column, then publisher's name. Can you remember? Then go to the examples. If you do not know the format, read the example, you will get a better idea. Put the name, the year, stress measurement, comma, London, based on publication, and then the publisher. That's it. Fifth edition, go through it. Okay, this is by an author. Okay, but how about by two authors? By two authors, go to the next part. Just put first author, then the initial, and then second author's surname and initial. And then year of publication. The difference is just put the extra one more surname and also initial for second author. Okay. Look at examples. Burns and grow. For reference, you need to put info. Burns dot comma and okay and group s dot k. Just now citation you need to put the sk initial. Remember citation reference. Reference is more complete. With the year, with the place. Then by more than two authors, yeah, go to next page. You ask how. The add all is for citation. I say reference must put all complete. All the authors put it there. So you respect the person, like the second author, third author. By two or more, you see the format is you put all the same. You just add in, put as comma, then again and all. Put all, put this all. Yes, for reference. List all the five authors. For reference. Okay?
Should not use.
Then you put it there. Yeah. Normally I also saw you 3, 4 authors. Okay, I will let's see. So now, can see this is the format for book. Okay? Let us go to the page. Okay, exercise page, the last third page, fourth page. You see question 1, book. Question 1, book. There's no page, but after page 23, look at this page. Straight away, practical. Anyone volunteer? Yes, later. Very good. Okay. Well done. Okay. Very good. Salah ada. Okay. Just makes it longer. Remember the bracket, all these things. They put the things there, but you must be careful. Although you put in order, but some comma, bracket, okay, some comma, bracket. Just be careful. You can refer and then write it there. Because a lot of people like beginners, they can't handle very well. You must go a few rounds. Okay? Write it there for the others. You can try and check your answer with your friend.